Thanks for joining us again. This is SparkBC, and we have our third hot topic for you. We're really excited to bring you two fantastic SparkBC team members. We have Ted Gilbert again from the interior. Thanks for joining us, Ted.
Hey, Aaron, how you doing? Hey, Dave.
Still on vacation, I see.
Oh, it's hot down here too. Yeah.
Yeah. It's pretty good. And we've got Dave Chevalier joining us from Abbotsford, or Chilliwack, I guess I should say. How you doing, Dave?
I'm doing well, thanks. You?
Good, really good. Good to see you. So listen, we've got Ted. It sounds like you've got an issue that you want to tackle today. So I'm going to throw that over to you, and you guys can take a look at it.
All right, sounds good. So today,
there you go.
There we go. All right. I want to look at this meter base. There it is. You guys see it now?
Yes.
Okay, Dave, this is one of these microelectric combination meter socket slash main breaker combinations. And I've seen a lot of them being used either on new construction where they want to put the panel way inside the house and exceed the 1.5 meter rule, or on a rewire where the existing panel, they want to put the new panel back where the existing one was. So they install one of these, and then of course their service conductors become feeder conductors, and they can run as far inside the house as they want. What do you think of these things?
Well, you know, we've had that ability for a number of codes now. So, you know, as long as it's CSA approved, it shouldn't be an issue, right?
Right. No, I agree. And yeah, you can see they are CSA approved. You bet. This particular model is an underground model, as you can see, and you can always identify them by that gray barrier that's to the right of the main breaker there. And that's a requirement by the utility that we somehow isolate and barrier off those unprotected service conductors coming up through the lower compartment that's actually accessible to the consumer. So they make two kinds. This one is the underground, as I say. They make another model. This is a combination. You can see the knockout at the top, the hub that's covered in where you wouldn't need that barrier. So they've grounded this model at the main breaker here. What do you think of that?
Well, you have your options, right? You could do it there if it's easier for you to do, or you could do it at the disconnect in the building.
At the combination panel inside. Right. Yeah, I agree. I think the code would totally allow that. But if you did, listen, if you're out there going to do this, you would have to remember now under the new rules that bonding screw would have to be removed on that neutral block there, because we can only have, under the new code, 1 point of grounding for a system. We can't re-ground it again inside.
And that's a very good point to bring up.
Yeah. I think that would be a rejection, and of course we want to make sure that our listeners out there, our viewers, do it right the first time and don't get charged that $168 for a reinspection fee. There's no need for it. That's for sure.
Right.
Anything else we should pass on about these things?
Well, you know, it's up to each installer to you know, maximize what he can do for the materials he's given, right? So between the electrician and the FSR, they have to decide how it's going to be done.
Yeah, and of course cost is almost always an issue. So I see this as a really cost-effective means of getting back into where that existing panel is that may be on the far side of the house. This unit here solves your problem. You can run ACWU. You can even run For smaller services, you could run NMD 9 feet because now you have a breaker. You could go out the back of this unit and run through the house till you get to the panel inside to be perfect for as far as I can see.
That's a very good point.
Thanks, bud. Once in a while I score one, Anyways, anything else we can pass on to our viewers on this?
Mechanical protection of the conductors,
Yeah. Aluminum, don't forget your Noalox compound.
Right.
And I love this guy. He's put a bushing on his ECWU connector down there.
Yeah, very good installer. He's thinking.
Yeah, now under the new rules, Dave, I think he needs a bonding bushing on that, doesn't he? You got to have bonding bushings on armored cables. Oh no, this is a feeder though.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, feeder. It's a feeder. So because it's got a breaker, so this would be compliant 100%. We'd back
Absolutely.
on that. I think that's it, Aaron. I'm going to pass it back to you. You can wind it up.
Awesome. Yeah, just a reminder, everybody, to comment down below if you've got any questions. You can also send your questions to info@sparkbc.ca, and we would love to hear from you. If you have any of your own issues or your own images or photos, videos that you want to share with us, you can come to the SparkBC community on our website and post those there for all of our guys to comment on, and we might even bring them up at a hot topic. So definitely get involved, and we want to hear from you. So thanks again, Ted and Dave. We really appreciate you coming on board and sharing your topic with us today, and we'll see you soon.
Thanks, Aaron. Thanks, Dave. See you later. I'm going off. I got a shot to make here.
Nice. I'll take the rum.
All right.
Bye, guys.
Bye now.